All right, so I'm back at tuning the Fazer. I'm gonna upgrade the tires, tighten the front differential, tune the transmitter so I could smooth off the steering a little bit. My buddy got his Nitro TC3 going after 13 years in storage, and just out of storage onto the parking lot, and the thing hooks up so well that I wanted to start upgrading the Fazer so I could keep up. With these tires, it won't. And I also need to slow the steering down so it can be more predictable. And I think that with these tires, it'll hook up. First, I'm just gonna remove the tire. This is the wheel spacer that comes with the Fazer kit. It fits in here on the hub in this little fake disc, which is cool to see. Delete that. Okay, aside from the machined tech look of these wheel hubs, they do fit a lot better. The clearance there between the hub itself is minimal. Very precise machining again from Kyosho. All right, so we got the new tires. We got the wheel hubs that we added. I tightened up the front ball diff 2 turns, and I almost locked out the rear diffs. So it's gonna be tight. So before I was getting almost max throttle right off the neutral, and I just put that curve into it with the radial link. So I'm gonna try it with the radial first, see how that does. Yeah, we're gonna start with this one tonight. The front diff's too tight. I gotta loosen both the front and rear. I'm adjusting the diff on this because it was too tight. There we go. That's how you adjust the adjustable diff on the Fazer. It's better. It's better, but there's room for improvement. All right, so it is better. I'm just limited by the tires now. I'm still unable to get this thing to hook up. I've done the transmission adjustments front and rear and played with that. It has improved it. I've got these foams. I think they were $12. I'm gonna put these on here and see what that does. Let's go.